Hey guys, Jess here. I have another unboxing for you. I received my, I believe this is April's Cocoa Daisy collection or subscription. The Modern Memory Keeper, I believe, is a subscription I get. So I thought I would share with you because I just find Cocoa Daisy so unique in their designs. They're beautiful. The product quality is great. And so I just get excited when this arrives in the mail. So I like to share that excitement with you all. And they also just released notification that they're actually going to be making 12 by 12 scrapbooking subscription kits, which is awesome. So if you love the designs but really wish it was a larger format, your wish has been granted. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this box, shall we? So again, I get the Modern Memory Keeper, which is a smaller format. But I plan on using these for like my 6x8 albums and my Project Life traveler's notebooks and stuff like that. So let's open it up. Okay. And so this one I believe is called something Afternoon Tea, if I remember. I can't recall the name. But it's like a tea party spring theme, which is really cute. So we have some washi to start off with. We got a pack of ephemera, which I love the colors already. We got the navies, the corals, the greens, the pinks. Absolutely beautiful. And we got our little inspirational card. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. I absolutely love that quote. I really feel like it needs to be in my craft room. That's awesome. All right, and we got some tags here, and Afternoon Tea, that's what it's called. That's the name of this collection. Look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? And then it says, imagine sitting in a quiet garden with a pretty teacup, daydreaming and doodling in a new notebook with your favorite pen. That's exactly the vibe of our latest collection, Afternoon Tea. Bright, cinchy patterns, reminiscent of vintage teacup paired with whimsical drawings and bold graphic shapes, combined to create a vibrant collection that is perfect transition from spring to summer. Cannot wait to layer and combine all these gorgeous patterns. It's a little background behind the design for the month. I love the little stories that explain where the collections derive from. I just think that's so cool. So there are the tags. And we got another refer a friend. So if you guys are interested, getting $10 to spend, make sure you go on this link and let them know Jessica Grace sends you. And you get 10, I get 10. Thank you, friends. All right, we got some enamel dots. They're kind of on the glittery side. Again, I love the colors. Oh, and I was so excited about this, a number stamp set. A great size, big number. I tell you what, I'm going to be using this. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, December daily, journaling. Oh, so many great uses for this stamp set. I'm so excited. I do not have one of these, so to have a number stamp set, I'm thrilled. We got some puffy embellishments, heart, teacups, pens, little geometric shapes. Fun, fun. I'll get into the cards in a minute. We have some pre-cut envelopes that you can put together, which these are always fun to do. Great for plopping a picture in, embellishments, or a little journaling. We have some puffy alphas in a navy blue. And some chipboard pieces, again, hexagons with some sayings and patterns, and then some words down there. And then the papers, which are gorgeous. So we have corals and a black geometric and a floral. Look how pretty those are. Absolutely beautiful. And then there's your back side, a little softer palette on the other side. So fun. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into these cards. So first we have, oh, it's May, not April. That's right, the pug was April. This is May. Goodness, I got my months mixed up. Let's get this packaging off. So this is the May Documented, a wonderful title card. I love that the little calendars come in every kit. That's super neat. And I've seen some ideas where people have printed off teeny tiny photos to place in the calendar when they had special events, which is a really cool idea. Calories don't count on the weekend. Oh, do I wish this was true. And a great journaling card on the back. And a fun little pen doodle. I love that. That's super cool. Noteworthy, another journaling card. All right, those are the 4x6s. Then we have your 3x4s. So I'm just going to go through so you guys can see them. I just can't get over good moms say bad words. Yes. Ooh, I love that one. All right, these are, you guys, every month I'm just like in love. Absolutely in love. I'm working through my paper pad, but I can't wait till I can start playing with these collections. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, let go, and see what happens. That's a great quote. We came, we saw, we ate a lot. That's a good one too. Collecting moments. Just another day around here. That's a good one too. All right, other side. Some journaling cards. Mother's Day. Oh, days like this make me happy. I love that one. A little notepad. What a beautiful collection. Make the most of the moment you're in right now. Numbers. You'll find me in the garden. Some great journaling cards. Fun colors. And there you have it. Those are the 3x4s. Absolutely beautiful. So again, this is the, I think it's called the Modern Memory Keeping Kit that I get. And I tell you what, chock full. Chock full. So this subscription is totally worth it. So I hope you guys are enjoying these unboxing each month. I still plan on continuing the subscription. I'm very pleased with the product. I think they're so fun and I love how different they are. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.